behind the scenes. Should I help you?
my hand.
Sit down.
My arm. Why I keep saying my hand? Huh? Why I keep saying my hand? Okay, come on, take it. Are you going to be in my video? Is it? Okay then. Hi, Halko. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
How are you?
Well, I'm alright. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. How are you, Mama?
Alhamdulillah, very well.
Oh, hi guys, it's Malia. Hi. You can see my man.
The camera.
My man, Hans.
And Maliha's staying with me, but now because the schools are open, so she's going every Sunday evening home.
Because of this little guy.
My little prince is here.
She has a little helper today who is going to eat cereal while she does everything else.
No, he always helps Maliha. Oh.
You're going to help Sumo today, Kay?
Yes, always.
Well done, baby.
He knows Sumo arms not working, so he helped me. So
Sumo is compromised.
yeah.
Okay.
So alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I explained in my last video, I think in Sumayya's wedding album, and alhamdulillah for liking. Jazakallah khair. Loads of you asking me what happened with the scan result. So there is always a good news if the doctor didn't call you straight away, isn't it, Maliha?
Yes, inshallah.
So when it's something dodgy, something wrong, obviously your doctor, your consultant call you straight away.
Yes.
But alhamdulillah, it's more than 4 days now.
Yes.
The scan happened on the 3rd, and today is 7.
Yeah.
And no phone calls.
Inshallah,
so
there's
two
nothing.
things. Either weekend, or either it's clean. So
inshallah is clean.
I'm hoping.
Inshallah is nothing. Inshallah.
Nothing. And I have million people dua with me, million of you dua with me. All the charity places, they dua with me where I work. So my strong belief is we all gonna go one day, and may Allah, keep us safe from struggle and from bad illnesses.
Inshallah.
So inshallah it will be okay. Please keep praying.
Praying. Every Pukhtun says the P's to the F's to the F's to the P.
I say praying. I don't know. I got a little bit ulcer in my mouth. That's
It's okay, Mom. It's okay, Mom. She's like, get lost.
So inshallah, sooner the result come straight away. I'm gonna share the news with you. But I know
inshallah
it
be
will
great.
be okay.
So what are you making today?
Today, I know all of you like my vlog, my hacks, and my recipe watched by only few thousand, but
Alhamdulillah,
and I'm gonna post it for that few thousand people who love my recipe, okay? So
Mama's recipes are to die for. Oh, this
I know.
this pan is gonna be boiling to
you
shit.
need to be. It's supposed to be like that.
Oh, burning hot. Okay.
Heat it like this. So today I'm making tandoori chai.
Woo!
Matka chai.
This is one of my favorites because when I went to Pakistan with Mama, we went. Where did we go? Bun Palau.
Bakhtiyar Khattak is a very famous singer of KPK.
And they invited us
He invited us because he's doing charity work.
What was the
as well.
place? Bum Palau.
No, it was
Balupanu.
I don't know. It was
Banu.
a place in
Banu Palu.
Bandu Pulao.
No, that was the dish, I think.
Something Pulao.
Anyway, it was really nice.
On University Road, and it was amazing. And they give us a tandoori chai. I did ask the chef as well how you make it, and from that time, from nearly 2 years,
It was very nice.
I always think that I'm going to make this chai.
Yeah.
And today is the time.
I'm surprised you've never made it.
Huh?
Surprisingly, you've never made it.
Then the accident happened, then loads of things happened, so I did make it once, only once, and then, just to try.
Yeah.
But I haven't got the right equipment.
Right.
Equipment means the clay pot. You need a clay pot for that.
But they make it in a clay pot as well.
Yeah, you have to use the clay pot for that. And I just got some pot in the house and I make it now. But today I got the clay pot, which is very small, but still better than nothing.
Yeah.
I ordered this from Amazon.
You'll leave it in the description below? No.
And it's only £6. So without that you can't make it, okay? So let's begin.
Let's begin.
Please subscribe and click the bell to get notification.
Forgot which
I'm
one.
gonna place this
Ooh.
pot like that
Ooh.
while I'm making a tea.
Wait, let me to get Caleb down. Are you getting
You
Caleb
don't. You're gonna help me.
down? Okay. Just jump, babes. Just jump. Take the leap of faith.
You're a boy.
Jump.
Your grandmother.
I used to climb
jump from
trees. I used to climb trees, honey.
Yeah.
Your mommy used to climb trees.
Yeah. So, as Maliha told you, you need to heat this pan like at least 2 minutes ago. And you only need to use. You don't need to use non-stick pan because you can't make a non-stick pan. Okay, so something like that. Place it. And boiling water. Okay, I boil this water.
Yeah.
These steps are very important.
Right. Whoa.
Very, very important.
Okay. Nice.
And now I'll place. You know what? For this tea.
Yes.
For this tea, it's better to use loose tea. But we are lazy people in the UK. We don't use loose tea.
Oh wow, tea bags go in it.
I'm
Okay.
using 3
PG tips, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're using PG, we're using Tetley, we're using any kind of.
Taifu.
Yeah. And
Hi, baby.
while this is boiling, you will use 1.5 cup full fat milk.
Full fat milk.
Yeah.
Okay, that's boiling away. Ooh, nice.
Well,
I love me a good
then
okay.
1.5 cup, okay?
Okay.
So,
Here we go.
and come on, will you show my clay pot?
The clay pot is
It's
burning
changing
away.
color, okay? But you need to turn it over.
Nice.
So-
Caleb, be careful as well, okay, honey?
Look, I put
Everything's boiling.
foil there because
Yeah.
it's a plastic one, so I just use foil, okay?
Right.
So you can keep turning like that, okay?
It's so cool.
Okay, that's gonna heat up. Now, in the chai, I'm gonna put 1 cinnamon,
Okay.
okay?
Right.
And I always put about 1 inch piece ginger.
Oh, ginger's in this.
Yes. And
My husband would love this.
my cardamom. We use loads, but you don't need to use that much.
Oh, quick debate. Cardamom or cardamom?
I say cardamom.
I say cardamom.
And Maliha say cardamom. Now
What you guys tell us
Comment.
which is the right terminology
cardamom.
for cardamom?
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay. You like this?
I love it.
One of my Indian friend gifted me this.
It's lovely.
And that's like, how old are gonna be Maliha when
Very
you were a
old.
child? eh?
Very old.
Very old. Her name was Usha. Usha,
Aw.
if you watch this vlog, thank you so much. Okay. This is saffron.
Saffron.
Okay.
Saffron
we
is
say
very
saffron.
expensive.
Very expensive, but I don't know why it's got so much baraka.
Yeah.
ये मैं हज से लेके आई थी और मेरे हज को हो गए 3 साल
Wow.
और अभी तक वो है और मैं हर रेसिपी
So basically, Mama went Hajj 3 years ago, and it's
Yeah.
still.
so
there.
ये saffron पर ये ऑप्शनल है
I love
अगर
saffron.
आपने नहीं डालने हैं तो बेशक ना डालो और अब हम इसको बॉईल करेंगे
Nice. This is like a masala chai kind of thing.
yeah but you know this matka give a totally different taste
Right. Okay.
totally different taste okay so इसको बॉईल करने देते हैं और हम अपनी बाकी की चीजें रेडी करते हैं
Okay,
तो
there's
मैं
something
ये
else?
संभाल लूं
Okay.
तब तक आप कैलब से बातें करो
Assalamu alaikum, Caleb.
कैलब talk-
Wa alaikum assalam, honey.
followers.
Hello. Do you have a tongue in your mouth?
Come on, Caleb. Talk to my followers. Wait.
Speak to Sumo's YouTube familam. How you doing, honey? How do you feel with going to school? Not good. He was saying, I want to stay at Sumo's house.
Yeah, he loves sumo.
He loves Sumo. He loves Sumo and he loves Sumo's house.
Yeah.
Funny story, Sumo cut Caleb's hair and I have no idea how it's growing at this present moment.
Well, it's growing. When
No, it's growing, but I like the sides.
but because it was so.
Yeah,
it
mama.
Was so
Yeah.
It was like a Zulfan.
Yeah, mama.
No.
I love
And
Zulfan.
he's so cheeky.
Yeah.
He said, "Oh, Sumo, I look nice." Sooner he see his mom, he said, "I don't like my."
He
hair,
was
cut it."
so upset. I like long hair on boys. I do love it.
Loads of Islamic boy, they use long hair, isn't it?
Well, they have long hair, yeah.
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh my God! I just cleaned this stupid cooker and look at that. I hate when the cooker.
It's still, see with me, this still looks clean.
Yeah,
You
but
need
for
to
me,
see my cooker.
Yeah. So जब आप ऐसे थोड़ा सा बॉईल होने लगे तो आपने टी बैग को, अगर टी बैग है, अगर टी बैग नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, टी बैग है तो आपने थोड़ा सा प्रेस करना है टी बैग को, ओके?
It was like such an experience.
You know what we call this, Maliha, when we do that?
I have no idea.
I say whisk.
Foaming? I don't
Foaming.
know.
Okay, yeah.
But it was
foaming.
such an experience when we went to the restaurant. It
Oh
was
my God.
so
It's called-
nice.
We ate
Caleb, don't baby.
penda, which is our.
Oh, Mama, have you ever made the penda? Caleb,
Yeah, I can make penda.
you
Penda
should
is
make
our
it.
traditional food.
It was so yummy.
Panda.
Caleb, you liked it too, baby.
What? Panda?
When we went to Pakistan.
I don't like pandas.
Penda, bada.
Penda.
Okay.
Ooh, it's bubbling. Ooh.
तो ये हो रहा है और दूसरी तरफ आप मेरा मटका भी देखो,
But
ये
really,
देखो,
Papa.
you know when the color change to black, okay, so keep turning,
Really?
keep turning.
Oh,
Much
clay.
easier for you to
Clay is
avoid.
just so, I don't know, traditional and
Yeah,
just.
clay. मेरे अब्बू अमेरिका में रहते थे, लेकिन वो क्ले के बर्तन में पानी पिया करते थे. वो कहते थे ये सुन्नत रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम है, पर वो honestly उस क्ले में पानी पीना is really.
I do think it's nicer to drink it from
Yeah.
clay.
ये भी क्ले का पॉट है. इस क्ले के पॉट को मैं ऐसे रख लूंगी.
It's clay, but it's been painted. It's very,
ये
very heavy.
very heavy है ये. मैं इसमें अक्सर स्ट्यू वगैरह बनाती हूँ. So ये अब आप देखिए, इसको मैं पकाऊंगी तकरीबन 5 मिनट के लिए और बार बार इसको ऐसे अब
Foaming.
मलिहा के
Foam.
foaming करूंगी.
It is, because like it is foaming up, you know? It's
Okay.
nice.
तो 5 मिनट के लिए आपने इसको foaming करना है.
There is a milk frother thing, Mama, as well. Have you ever seen it? It's this tiny whisk thingy. I think it's about £10 from Amazon.
Is it?
And it frothes. It's a milk frother.
Yeah, but this is the traditional
Oh,
way.
right,
We
okay.
making this tea traditional way, isn't it?
Okay.
So it's everything.
It smells delicious. It smells yummy
And
already.
because it's saffron,
Yes.
ilachi, cardamom,
Cinnamon, cardamom.
ginger.
Yeah, ginger.
It's amazing tea. Maliha, honestly, you will love it. Well, you like it.
Yeah, it was delicious. But we had it with this really nice halwa. Remember the halwa? The halwa was
You
really
want me
nice.
to make the halwa for you today as well?
Yeah.
मलिहा की टांडी बहुत दर्द करती है जब ये
It's
खड़ी
fine.
होती है.
It's fine.
अच्छा, एक और बात शेयर कर लूँ आपके साथ. जब मलिहा मेरे साथ व्लॉग बनाती है तो few of you comments that oh Maliha, we let Mama talk because you don't let Mama talk.
I'm a big mouth woman.
It's not that. Actually, with a medication, Maliha forget things. So
Yes.
she just
Yes.
quickly jump and
See,
say whatever she wants.
I forget that I forget things. That even my friends, like if it's my family or friends, they let me say it because
Yeah.
I truly like I'll forget it like this.
So
it's
we
crazy.
always let her talk. As soon as she open her mouth, we say, "Okay, got it."
Yeah,
Go,
just
go,
get
go,
just
talk,
say
okay?
say whatever the hell you want to
Because the
say.
thing is, since from 5
Watch your tea, Mama.
6 years ago, when she was really badly ill, she was affected from the medication.
Yeah.
Lower
If
heat
I
and
couldn't
high.
control it. Mama's control is next level.
Yeah. So
I
you
would
have
just-
to do that because that's the main. You know, if you follow step by step, then your recipe become bomb.
Yes.
Otherwise, if you just say, "Oh, it's okay, I'm gonna skip that. It's okay, I'm gonna skip that." No.
No.
Don't skip anything. Like if I follow someone recipe,
Yeah.
I will be following step by step.
Yes.
Okay, so look, if you do it like जब आप 3-4 दफा ये कर लो, ये देखिए मैं अप कर रही हूँ, लो कर रही हूँ, अप कर रही हूँ, लो कर रही हूँ, हायर और लो. अब मैं इसको एक दफा, और ये देखिए ये साफरान ऐसे आ रहा है इसके ऊपर.
Oh, it smells delicious.
और इतनी प्यारी स्मेल है ना कि आप लोग बस
Oh my god, that smells.
बस अगर ये
doesn't it,
आपको
Caleb?
स्ट्रॉन्ग चाहिए, if you want more stronger than that, you
I
can
just
cook
want
it
to
through.
drink that right now.
Okay, so if you want a little bit more stronger tea, you can add more tea bags or more tea. And if it's loose tea, just 1.5 teaspoon tea. And when you come to the end, add sugar. But if you don't take sugar, then don't take it. But I take only little sugar in our
Yeah,
house.
I like 1 teaspoon
Yeah,
of
so
sugar
I'm
in my
gonna
tea.
only add 2 teaspoons sugar.
But you know, in English tea, I like 1 teaspoon. In this kind of tea, I don't mind if it's 2.
So I'm using just 2 teaspoons sugar, okay? Does have to be in the end, okay? Don't use any sugar before. When you come to the end, then add sugar. And I use this sugar.
It's just cane sugar. Brown sugar, you
Brown
can name it.
sugar.
Brown sugar is cane sugar.
Yeah, brown sugar. Okay, now my matka is ready, okay?
Be careful,
And
Mama.
make sure wash your matka before you use.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, that is so cool! Like a waterfall. I am not touching that. I am not. Oh my god. If there was more, if you made more, then I will make more.
So
Your
yummy.
matka tea is ready. And then I always do like that. This is bit extra, okay? I always make sure I whisk it with this as well. Okay?
That's a mess.
That's no mess.
Yes, it is.
And अब time आया है serving का.
So nice. Oh,
So मटका टी है,
I'm so
क्ले
excited.
टी है, तो क्ले कप में ही अच्छा लगता है. अगर आपके पास क्ले कप नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, नॉर्मल कप में डाल दें. अगर मंगाना है तो अमेज़ोन में ये मिलते हैं. अपने गेस्ट को स्पेशली इम्प्रेस करें. और ये इस तरह से, ये देखें.
Now there's
Wow.
2 left.
And I know Caleb will finish all this 6 cup.
I know I will.
Yeah, he said, I know I will.
No one has any.
Okay, no one has any. Okay,
Actually, yes.
this is my keto.
Actually, I'm not having all of those out of my mouth.
Why you don't have it actually? The actually
I'm
bachia?
not just gonna have 6 of them. I'm just gonna have 1.
So मेरी मटका चाय तैयार है. अल्लाह ताला सबको रिज़्क़ हलाल दे, हमारे समेत.
it smells amazing.
हाय अल्लाह, ट्राई आई है थोड़ा सा ट्राई करने के लिए. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम.
Be careful.
वल्लाहि So आप भी जाइए, तोड़ के बनाइए, कमेंट्स पे बताइए मेरी मटका चाय कैसे लगी आप.
To die for. See you guys next time.
और नेक्स्ट व्लॉग तक के लिए इजाजत दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz.